Let's begin with images coming in from Belagavi in Karnataka, where a farmers' protest has turned rather violent with stone pelting being reported. The farmers attempted to block the Bengaluru-Pune National Highway in Belagavi over the issue of fixing sugarcane prices. It's been something that's been going on for the last few days, with the Karnataka Chief Minister also taking note. But it took a rather drastic turn today as these farmer groups that had gathered on the highway started resorting to stone pelting. The police have confirmed that it was when they asked them to vacate the highways that chaos broke out. Stone pelting was reported. In fact, after that, it all came down and things were brought into control by the police. After these farmers were spoken to, there was a conversation, and so the violence came to an end. But dramatic images on your screens there from the highway, where you see farmers attempting to close off these roads and then resorting to stone pelting when they were not allowed to do so by the cops.
The highway is clear for the traffic. Through your forum, I would further request the farmers that they should not again take the law into their hands, and they should not become victims to the conspiracy of some miscreants. Under no circumstances our protest should go violent. There have been some vehicle damage and there have been some injury to our police. So far we have identified that 6 police personnel have got injured. We are already getting them into hospital for the treatment.
Let me bring in Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more details on exactly what transpired in Belagavi earlier. Nagarjun, can you confirm for us whether the situation is under control now? What triggered this kind of a massive farmer protest?
Well, in fact, this farmer protest has been going on for a week now. The situation is under complete control. It was few miscreants who pelted stones at the station buses, including the police buses, what we are told. Many of them have been detained. However, the farmer organizations have distanced themselves from the stone pelting, saying that it is someone who wants to bring the bad name to the ongoing protest, and it is not the genuine farmers with concerns for the sugarcane have resorted to the stone pelting. As we speak, the chief minister is still meeting the stakeholders, that is the farmers, the sugar factory owners, and also officials as to if this deadlock can be resolved immediately. The main demand, Akshita, is that per ton, the farmers need 3,500 rupee. But while the state government says that all this lies in the central government forte, they'll have to write to the central government, and MSP and FRP is usually decided and mainly decided by the central government.